Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 9th of September 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 2.02. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has recorded a loss of negative 0.12%. This averages out to a daily loss of negative 0.06% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further decreases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately negative 9.45% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 16.89% to positive 0.61%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 24.68%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might fluctuate between negative 100% and positive 79.14% over the forthcoming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price lying somewhere between $0 and $30.24. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group highlights a red day on Wednesday for the company. The stock price of Trump Media and Technology Group Corp experienced a decrease of 0.118% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, falling from $16.90 to $16.88. During the course of that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.51%, with a daily low of $16.74 and a daily high of $17.16. The price has declined in 8 out of the last 10 days, representing a drop of 6.84% over this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 806,000 shares, despite the falling prices. This pattern may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 6 million shares were exchanged, amounting to around $98,700,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price stands at 69.13% or $37.80, below the 52-week high, and 78.74% or $62.50, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media is expanding its reach beyond social media into the financial sector this week. The company has filed registration statements with the Securities and Exchange Commission for 5 America First exchange-traded funds under the Truth Social and Truth.Fi branding. Additionally, they have finalized a strategic purchase agreement with Crypto.com, which will bring Kronos into their treasury and platform integrations. This ETF filing indicates a significant shift toward generating revenue through asset management, which includes management fees, licensing, and cross-selling to a politically aligned user base. Such a move has the potential to enhance investor sentiment and increase trading volume as the markets begin to incorporate these new growth opportunities. The crypto partnership accelerates product integration, enhances reward systems, and opens up potential transactional revenue. However, it also introduces volatility and regulatory risks associated with token holdings. In the short term, we can anticipate fluctuations in share prices driven by excitement and news headlines, although these may be moderated by profit-taking and the risks associated with SEC reviews. Looking ahead, the company's long-term success will hinge on obtaining SEC approvals, growing assets under management, the adoption of fintech features, and the market value of their crypto holdings. If executed effectively, these strategies could lead to a sustainable increase in recurring revenue and support a higher valuation. However, ongoing regulatory challenges or stress in the crypto market may pose additional risks. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average sits above the short-term average. During price corrections upwards, there will be resistance encountered at the levels of $16.90 and $17.55. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, August 15, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 8.76%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, trading volume increased despite falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, and the stock warrants closer observation. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal occurred 26 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 30 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a sell signal occurred 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 147 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 142 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $16.68. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 420 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing a change of 2.51%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.63%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $16.68. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 29th of August, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 22nd of August, 2025, George Edward Bell Holding conducted an insider purchase of 23,105 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, David Longley Bernhardt also executed an insider purchase of 23,105 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, George Edward Bell Holding conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 20th of February, 2025, David Longley Bernhardt executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. Analyzing the 86 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 18.990. In total, insiders purchased 227,045,725 shares and sold 116,050,810 shares in the last 86 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Currently, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation displays several negative indicators and is situated in a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 11th of September, we forecast that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by approximately 5 cents, initiating trading at around $16.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.